Hello and welcome to the next video in a how-to series for Arteco. In this video we're going to explore how to add an Arteco server using the client software Next. So if you don't already have Next installed, go ahead and watch the video on how to install the client software Next, and then once you get it installed you can go ahead and give it a double click on the program icon on the desktop. And once the software opens, the first window that we'll see is the Create a Connection screen. And this screen is prompting us to put in a IP address or a host name for our Arteco server. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the host name for our Demo 1 server, demo.artecous.com. And this does operate over port 7000 for client connections. So leave this by default if you didn't change it during setup. And then I'll go ahead and click Test Connection. And what Test Connection does is it just verifies that the Arteco server is available at that IP address or host name, and it'll give you the version number as well. So we'll go ahead and click Proceed. And now we see the Authorization Required window. And what this is asking us for is the local client password. The local client password is not to be confused with the actual server login because those are two different things. This is for just the client itself. So that default password is 1234. So click Confirm. And now that we have our server added, it asks us to log into the server. So if you were given a username and password by your systems integrator or your administrator, go ahead and type it in here. And then you can click Connect and drop down all devices if you don't see your server, and you should see it logged in right there. The logged in server will indicate as a light gray right here. If you want to add multiple servers, switch to the setup environment and right click all devices and add server. And that just basically brings up our Create a Connection screen again and allows us to add another IP address or hostname. So I will put in the hostname for our Demo 2 server and hit Test Connection to make sure it's running there and proceed. And then the Arteco server that we just added, it doesn't prompt us to log in right away. So if you want to log into that server, you can right click it and say log in and type in the username and password for it and click connect. And there we go. We've added 2 servers to our Arteco Next client. In the following videos, we'll explore some more about how to operate inside of Next. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.